Ever wonder how you can make your garden more sustainable and productive? Could it be as simple as following a few essential principles? Intrigued by the idea of harnessing nature's wisdom to create a thriving green space? Well, you're in the right place to discover how. Permaculture, a term coined from permanent agriculture, is about creating sustainable and productive ecosystems that mimic nature. Born from the ingenious minds of Bill Mollison and David Holmgren in the 70s, permaculture has blossomed into a global movement. This approach to agriculture brings countless benefits, from enhancing biodiversity to improving soil health. While there are numerous principles underpinning permaculture, we'll be zeroing in on the top 5 in this video. So without further ado, let's dive into these transformative principles. The first principle is observe and interact. It's all about understanding your garden's unique environment and responding to its specific needs and conditions. Moving on to the second principle, catch and store energy. This involves harnessing the natural energy sources available in your garden, such as sunlight or rainwater, and using them to benefit your ecosystem. Thirdly, obtain a yield. This means producing something of value from your garden, whether it's fruits, vegetables, or simply a sense of joy and tranquility. Our fourth principle is apply self-regulation and accept feedback. This represents the idea of learning from the successes and failures in your garden and adapting your approach accordingly. Finally, the fifth principle is use and value renewable resources and services. This is about making the most of renewable resources, such as composting organic waste or planting native species that thrive in your local climate. These principles, when applied, can transform your garden into a sustainable and productive ecosystem. To recap, the top 5 principles of permaculture we've discussed today are observe and interact, catch and store energy, obtain a yield, apply self-regulation and accept feedback, and use and value renewable resources. By applying these principles, you can create a garden that is not only beautiful, but also sustainable and productive. With these principles, enrich your garden like subscribe, happy gardening,